I'm Vika, the co-founder and CEO of Olympia. We provide businesses, startups, and solopreneurs with AI-powered virtual teams. Today I want to demonstrate my collaboration with our AI Marketing Strategist. So I'm going to just go ahead and start new conversation with her. Beatrice Chapelle is offering me several prompts how I can start our conversation based on our previous chats with her. But I'm just gonna say, hey, I did my power user research and want to enhance our marketing strategy accordingly. She's thinking and then typing, great. Could you share the key insights from your research? What specific areas and aspects I look to enhance? Okay, so first we discussed demographics before. I want her to remind me what is that we discussed and what plan she sent me last time. Under her name you can see what she's doing, thinking or searching her memory or typing. So last time we discussed folk educational marketing approach tailored to Olympia capabilities. Cool. Can you send me the plan you came up with? So she's gonna search the plan. Okay, nice. So she remembers what we discussed last time. Now I'm gonna provide her with the data from my research. So based on our survey, our power users love Olympia. They are mostly solopreneurs and like that we help them save money on stuff and time on tasks, boosting their productivity. They heard about us from friends, events, or community leaders. Shall I share what I came up with for our updated strategy? Okay, I'm gonna tell her what's on my mind and been working on after our previous discussions. I will say that our marketing channels are blog, YouTube channel, social media, live events, speaking gigs, website SEO. That's not a channel, but I will just give her everything what I'm working on. Free promo on AI directories, direct sales, community, affiliate and referral programs. Human augmented AI project in private data. Newsletter. Thought leadership, and that seems like all. What are your thoughts? Waiting for a reply. Typing. So she came up with a plan. Referral programs and community leaders. Since our users hear about Olympia often through friends and community leaders, strengthen your referral programs and community engagement. Live events and networking. Build personal connection, enhance visibility. Secure speaking opportunities. Content strategy, blog, YouTube, social media, success stories, case studies, partnerships and affiliate programs, create partnerships, human augmented AI, and this is a key point in your PR, that's for sure. Our private beta is closed yet. We're basically creating AI powered clones of humans, where humans and AI collaborate on managing clients. And newsletter and thought leadership. Okay, position yourself as a go-to expert. Okay, awesome. Okay, great plan. I like it. I just want to add that I launched a tutorial series on how I use Olympia daily as its heaviest, most dedicated user. What do you think? So, launching a tutorial series, how you use Olympia, is an excellent addition to your marketing strategy. This approach not only personalizes the brand but also provides tangible, relatable use cases that can resonate strongly with your target audience. Integration across channels. Ensure that the tutorial series is prominently featured across all your marketing channels. Highlight specific benefits. In each tutorial, focus on specific benefits such as time savings, cost efficiency, and productivity enhancements. Okay, SEO is a good point, so I'm gonna go ahead and change to Anand, our SEO expert, to collaborate in the same conversation, and I'm gonna ask him, hey Anand, Bea suggests SEO optimization. I agree with her. I am recording this conversation for my next video tutorial live right now. What keywords for the title and the description on YouTube would you suggest? My recording is about enhancing our marketing strategy with AI. Here are the keywords he suggests. Would you like to explore more about how to integrate these keywords? Okay, a title could be Boost Your Marketing with AI. Top AI powered marketing techniques for solopreneurs. This is a good title, but I think it's a bit too long for YouTube. Your thoughts? Well, we didn't discuss top techniques for solopreneurs here. So I think boost your marketing with AI. I don't like the word boost. Enhance. I like this one better. What do you think about it in terms of SEO? This is a strong title, it's clear, direct, incorporates key terms, enhanced marketing strategy and AI, likely to be searched by your target audience. This title effectively communicates the value. Would you like to work on optimizing the description and tags next to further? I'll get back to this later. Now, you will say understood. If you need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Okay, I have a plan. I have keywords for my YouTube video, description, and I have a title. That was not a primary goal for this video, but the marketing strategy is here, the enhancements. And I like it. It's concise. It shows how I can enhance our strategy right now, today, and how should I record my tutorials even, because I asked about it. Now, I think I want to share it with my co-founder. So what I can do is I can use our commands to make this a conversation public instead of private. And here we see the link. I can click on it and there is this magical thing like sharing our conversations publicly with your coworkers, with your friends, with your clients. So here we are. All of it is in here. You can even hire Anand. It shows the last AI assistant you collaborated with. Okay, great. So we'll go ahead and share it with my co-founder, and I will share that link under this video on YouTube. So yeah, if you want to know how else I use Olympia on a daily basis, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will add more and more tutorials. And also, if you want to hire our amazing AI teams, AI assistants for your business, please go to olympia.chat and choose a team for hire. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye!